Hi students, today we will see how to install the code block software. So that is a 17.12 version. So just open your browser and then simply type code block. So whenever you type the code block, so here www.codeblocks.org, click on that site. So this is a site where you can download the code block software, so which is a free and open source software. Just click on downloads. So here there are different ways of to download and install the code blocks on your computer. So that is a download the binary release, download the source code, retrieve source code from SVN. So it's better to download the first thing. So this is easy way for installing code blocks. So just click the download the binary release. So based on your operating system, you select whether you are using Windows XP or Linux, whatever the operating system you are using. So based on your system configuration, you have to select the software download. So mine is the Windows 10 operating system. So I had to download any of these files. So you get it out. So which file I need to download? Actually, the code block 17.12 setup.exe is a file which includes all the code block plugins, but here it doesn't have any automatic features, so it cannot detect the automatic code like that. So it's better to download code block 17.12 mingw setup.exe file. So why I'm selecting this file means it is a file which includes additionally the GCC or G++ compiler, and still it is having the GDB debugger also. So actually this is a compiler that mingw setup. mingw is a compiler which compiles all C++ programs, and which is also used to auto detect the GCC and or G++ compiler. So better you can download this code block 17.12 mingw setup.exe. So just click on source for g.net. So whenever you click on that source for g.net, it is automatic, it's going to be download. Okay, so already I downloaded. Okay, so I already downloaded this file. So whenever you click on that, click automatically it will downloads in your uh, downloads folder. So just click on the downloads folder. So there you can see the code block 17.12 mingw setup.exe. Just double click on that setup file. Now it is going to be installed in your computer. So this code block 17.2 is just like your turbo C++, C++ compiler, but here you are having all the pre-installed softwares, and it is everything will be automatic detected. So you need to accept the license agreement. So it is asking where should be the destination folder where your code block software has to be installed. So it's just showing this program files in that there a code blocks folder is going to be created. So just click install. So the installing all the binary files. So actually this C++ IDE used to build to meet the most demanding needs of all users, and it is designed to be very extensible and fully configurable. So that's why nowadays instead of using the turbo C++ IDE, everyone is preferring to work on code block which is automatic detect for GCC or G++ compiler. So it is already pre-installed software will be there, and everything the code will be present inside. So just you need to enter the logic of your the program. So it is best suited for the C++ programs. Think it's going to be installed. So please wait while code block is being installed. It's just extracting all the files whatever be downloaded. So this just setup files are going to be installed. So whenever the installation is completed, a code block icon will be appear on desktop. So just like a Turbo C++, here you can see just like Turbo C++, the code blocks IE will be appeared on your desktop. So you just directly click on that. You can access every time whenever you are typing the programs. So do you want to run the code blocks now? Just click S. So everything is completed. So whenever you click on that, the code blocks, the open source cross platform IE was open. So just click on finish. So this is how to download and install the code blocks software. So just click on just open your browser, whatever the browser you are having, just simply type code blocks there. So whenever you type the code block, you'll get the first file is the codeblocks.org. So click on that and go to downloads and select the binary release, and here the compiler's auto detection will be there. So because we are selected mingw.setup file, so this mingw.setup file consists of all the binary related informations and the pre-installed software will be present. So this automatically detects the GNU GCC compiler. So here did you observe this? The status of this compiler is GNU GCC is detected because it is automatically detected. After installing the mingw, this GNU GCC compiler will be automatically detected. So just click on OK. So then your code blocks ID is ready. You can easily write your programs and compile and execute the programs. So this is an IDE. So this is a code block IDE. The left side your project, whatever you are doing that, and here in this middle area your program is going to be typed, and below that your execution with where errors and results everything will become. So just select the file, go for the, just click on file, there you select the project. So whenever you click on that file, you select the new project, goes to the, select the console application. Here you have to give the project name, hello, and the project has to be created wherever you want. You just create a project. So I need to create in any of these. Okay, let's go for documents. So in the document it's going to be created the Hello project with the file name hello.cbp. So after clicking it, here in the left hand side you can observe that the workspace hello, the source file. So here the main.cpp program, because we selected the CPP environment there, so it's just a CPP, a default program with hello will be there. So this is a program which already pre-installed. So that is the main feature of using this code box. It's everything, the basic needs of writing the code, everything will be in. So after creating, so these are the, if you want you can build. This for compiling and this is for running. Control F9 is for compiling and run, Control F10 is for running the program, or else you just click here. This is, it's going to debug the hello program by using the compiled GNU GCC compiler. Okay, so there, here you can observe the down, there are no errors and warning. So run the program by clicking this green button, play button. So it's just printing hello world. So this is how you have to download and install the code blocks 17.12. Thank you.